Hello friends, in my previous videos I have already explained about the constructional detail of the lead acid battery and the working principle of the lead acid battery. We have already discussed the chemical reaction occurs in the lead acid battery, and with the help of that chemical reaction we can get electricity at the output terminal. For automotive vehicles you can find number of batteries available in the markets with the same output voltage which are manufactured by different manufacturers. So what will be the base suitable for your particular vehicle that you need to decide, and that can be decided on the basis of battery capacity rating. So my name is Kalpesh and welcome to my official YouTube channel Automotive Cracks. In this video I am going to discuss how to rate the battery capacity, or with the help of this rating method how can you choose a particular battery for your particular vehicles considering different parameters. Battery capacity rating. Why we need to rate a battery capacity? Battery capacity rating, that means you can consider the amount of current or voltage a battery can deliver for a particular period of time, maintaining a particular voltage per cell or the whole system. That can be indicated with the help of battery capacity rating. Ultimately, with the help of battery capacity rating method, one can try to indicate the battery strength. The most commonly used rating methods for batteries, they are cold crank ampere rating method, reserve capacity rating method, ampere hour rating method, and the power rating method. Different manufacturers are using either from this rating method. So let's discuss each one step by step. And as I said, by each method a manufacturer is trying to describe the capacity of a particular battery. The first one, cold crank ampere rating. It is also known as a CCA rating. So the cold crank ampere rating specifies in amperes the discharge load a fully charged battery at 0°F can deliver for 30 seconds while maintaining a volt at least 1.2 volts per cell. So the cold crank ampere rating, it indicates the amount of amperage that a battery can deliver at 0°F temperature. So the vehicles which are operating at the territory where the overall operating temperature is quite low, in such cases we need to focus on the cold crank ampere rating. In this picture you can say it is the AC Delco battery, and at this point they mention the CCA rating. Here 500 CCA rating is mentioned. So according to the definition of CCA rating, we can say that for this particular example, this battery can deliver 500 amperes the discharge load at 0°F for 30 seconds while maintaining a volt at least 1.2 volts per cell. So this is the example of cold crank ampere rating. For example, the Toyota has a CCA rating like 350 to 560 amperes. So again you can say that the Toyota batteries, they can deliver 350 amperes to 560 amperes at 0°F temperature for 30 seconds. This is the capacity of that particular batteries. The next one is reserve capacity rating method. It specifies in minute. The length of the time a fully charged battery at 18°F can be discharged at 25 amperes while maintaining a voltage at least 1.75 volts per cell. So the reserve capacity, as its name suggests, reserve, that means stored. So reserve capacity, it indicates the amount of current supplied for a particular period of time and the condition is the battery will be at 18°F temperature and it must be able to deliver 25 amperes of current while maintaining a voltage in the cell which is 1.75 volts per cell. It can be indicated on the battery sticker by RC. So this is the reserve capacity rating. So for this particular picture, the battery which is manufactured by the Ford Motorcraft, it indicates 130 reserve capacity rating. That means this battery can deliver 25 amperes current at 18°F temperature for 130 minutes while maintaining a 1.75 volts per cell. Like the another example I have given for Toyota batteries, the reserve capacity rating, it ranges in between the 55 to 115 minutes. So that means the Toyota batteries, they can deliver 25 amperes current at 18°F temperature for 55 to 115 minutes. This indicates the strength of the battery. Now the most important, ampere hour rating method. Most of the manufacturers, they are following this. Ampere hour rating. It is indicated with the help of AH, ampere hour. Now battery must maintain the active material. It is also called 20-hour discharge rating method. So to define the ampere hour rating method, the common phenomena which is adapted by the manufacturers, they are 20 hours discharge rating. So it specifies in ampere hour the current the battery can deliver for 20 hours at environmental temperature. So for example, we considered this picture. This is the RS Pro battery, maintenance free lead acid battery, and here the manufacturer has specified the rating capacity of this battery. It is 24 ampere hour. So for 24 ampere hour, if you want to know more specific, then this 24 we need to divide it by 20. We are getting 1.2 ampere per hour. So this battery is able to deliver 1.2 ampere hour for a particular period of time. The ampere hour rating can be adapted on the basis of 10-hour discharge rating, or sometimes it is also adapted with the 5 hours discharge rating method too. But most of the manufacturers, they are preferring the 20 hours discharge rating method. The last one, power rating method. It can be determined by multiplying the current available by battery voltage. So the power in the watt we can get with the help of the multiplication of volts and the ampere current. So for lithium ion battery, for example, it has been indicated like 27 watt hours. This is the power rating method. So depends on the weather condition available in the environment, depends on the territory condition, depends on the types of vehicle for which it has been designed. You can choose the particular battery for your particular operation. Thank you so much for watching this video with attention. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on this bell icon which is next to the subscribe button, so you will get all the notifications whenever I am going to upload any stuff on my channel. And don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.